Looking to earn some extra income directly through your phone? Here are legitimate ways you can use GCash to make money. One of the most popular methods is by starting a small business or selling products online. You can use GCash to pay for supplies and then receive payments from your customers instantly by having them send the money to your GCash number or scan your QR code. You can also earn by freelancing or offering services. Whether you're a graphic designer, a tutor, or a virtual assistant, you can ask your clients to pay your fees directly to your GCash account for a fast and secure transaction. GCash also has built-in features to help your money grow. You can explore Ginvest, which allows you to start investing in funds with a very small amount. Or you can use Xavi to earn interest on your savings directly within the app. Another simple way is to take advantage of rewards and cashbacks. Regularly check the Glyph and Gorus features within the app for promotions, coupons, and rewards for using GCash for your bills and purchases. A final, important reminder, always be cautious of offers that promise unrealistic returns or ask you to pay a fee to join. Stick to legitimate services and business practices. Use these methods wisely, and you can start earning and growing your money with GCash.